Hi guys, today I am making a summer fruit salad with a citrus ginger dressing. You're gonna love it. It's so vibrant, so colourful and perfect for those balmy summer days we enjoy in Ireland. I'm Catherine Fulvio, welcome to my Ballynock Cookery School. Just before we get into the recipe, we are so close to 1,000 subscribers and I'll be giving away a free access pass to my barbecue hot and smoky online cookery course to one lucky subscriber once we hit that 1,000. So hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be notified about all my upcoming recipe videos. To start the recipe, we need to make our dressing. This is really unusual. This is a fruit salad dressing that actually has oil in it, but it works. So the first thing I want to do is zest a lemon. So I've got our microplane and we're just taking the outer zest of the lemon off. None of the white pith, because that's too bitter. We don't want that going into it. So if you can buy the unwaxed lemons, all the better. You get much better quality lemon, much better flavour from them. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's tap that. Now it's juicing. So I just warm it up a little bit. When the fruit's warm, you get a little bit more juice from it. And we're going with lemons and limes. 2 lemons, 2 limes. So it's very citrusy, but it's balanced with some maple syrup, which is fabulous in this, to be honest. Works really, really nicely with it. Okay, off we go. There's quite a bit of juicing in this one. I think growing lemons must be the next thing on my list here at Ballynock. We use so much lemon here, not just for cooking, but I have a great recipe to make homemade limoncello. Actually, I think it's on my Instagram now that I think about it, if you want to check it out. But it's really, really tasty. Okay, that's the lemons done. Now onto the limes. Very, very citrusy. Now see me with my old-fashioned juicer. I know I could just squeeze like this over the bowl, but you actually get more juice when you go at it this way. And it's precious in this recipe. So you can go to taste on this. You mightn't fancy all of this citrus. So if you want to just hold back maybe on half a lemon and a half a lime and go with the rest of it and just see what you think, and you can always add in a little bit more. Because it's to taste all of this, isn't it? There we go. Tap that and that's all our juice out. A lot of juice. Okay. Now, maple syrup. Gorgeous. And then we have our zester again. We're going now with the ginger. Oh wow, that packs a punch. I love fresh ginger. Really, really flavourful. Okay, take all the ginger off. Leave nothing behind. Okay, and it's only a small amount of olive oil, but it works in this recipe. It's really, really nice. And then you can get your fork and whisk this together. That's a good idea at this stage to taste it, because you don't want to pour this all over your fruit and find actually you needed a little bit more maple syrup, because it has to balance out. Why did I just blow on that? Seriously? Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You have to make this so very nice. And next we want to prepare our fruit. So I have everything ready. I've got watermelon ready. I've got my cherries, blueberries, strawberries are ready. Next thing is just the nectarines. To prepare the nectarines, just run your knife around the nectarine like this. Give it a twist like that and they'll halve. And then just cut wedges of nectarine. Love nectarines. Really, really nice. It smells so much of summer. Think how healthy this is. Now let's get a spoon, work around that stone, pop out the stone. My nectarines are just about ripe. So that's our nectarines prepared. Now all we need to do is assemble. And we'll start with the watermelon. So it's just chunks of watermelon. So put that on the base. And then we'll go with our lovely nectarines. See the colour? It's just building up so beautifully, isn't it? So it's a lovely tower of fruit. Now our dressing. And just spoon it over and just let those flavours infuse. Be generous. Okay, I want to arrange this so that you can see the peaks of colour just peeping out as we build up. Okay, next let's go with our blueberries. I think, yeah, we'll go with blueberries. Anything goes with this now, to be honest. The blueberries always work so well colour-wise with nectarines or peaches. See how that deep purpley blue shade works so well with the gorgeous yellow shades. Okay, strawberries. These are already prepared. There we go. So I sliced some of these, halved them, and others I left, the smaller ones I just left whole. Again, a bit more dressing. And then I have some cherries for the top, because you got to put a cherry on top. And a few more around the edge. See, I think this is really colourful. I think this is a beautiful salad. Can you imagine, you've got all your friends coming around, you want something healthy, something light, just had maybe big heavy main course, lots of food from the barbecue, and you're just looking for something just to perk people up. And this ticks the box. And then a little bit more dressing, and you can serve the extra dressing then on the side. It's one of my favourites. I think you'll love it. This here is my summer fruit salad with my beautiful citrus and ginger dressing. For more from me and Ballyknockin Cookers Go, check out my website at the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be notified about all my upcoming recipe videos.